paint the little train. Not a dream, but living steam in glory once again. Bright painted little engines, wheels riding narrow rails. Piston steam and barasses gleaming, great little trains of Wales. Tallaght the Fairborn line, Welsh Pool, Llanfair and back. Festiniog rail, the radial veil, this northern mountain track. Bright painted little engines, wheels riding narrow rails. Piston steam and barasses gleaming, great little trains of Wales. Daring cold, these railways old, forgotten in despair. Button men's dreams and wild planned schemes with love began repair. Bright painted little engines, wheels riding narrow rails. Piston steam and barasses gleaming, great little trains of Wales. In summer sun on tracks both straight and true. No more crust of dirty rust, but dazzling liveries new. Bright painted little engines, wheels riding narrow rails. Piston steam and barasses gleaming, great little trains of Wales. Tallaght the Fairborn line, Welsh Pool, Llanfair and back. Festiniog rail, the radial rail, this northern mountain track. Bright painted little engines, wheels riding narrow rail. Piston steam and barasses gleaming, great little trains of Wales. Bright painted little engines, wheels riding narrow rails. Piston steam and barasses gleaming, great little trains of Wales.